Push right stick to the left. Curls the bucket.
Oh, wait, this way. Other left.
Now your left stick. That's a pretty good scoop.
Oh yeah, I want to go this way.
Yeah, move the same way you move it.
And then, this is weird. Up. What am I doing? Is this right? How do I uncurl it?
Push it to the right.
You had it lower.
Yeah, that's just because you did it different. Not saying I can do it right.
Well, I did it wrong then?
No.
Oh my god, this is scary.
Well, what do you want to do?
This.
There you go.
I got ventilation.
I don't really care.
I forget which way is what. Okay. How far? Where are you digging exactly?
Wherever you want.
Well, I don't know what I'm doing.
That's
I
fine.
kind of feel like a little kid on one of those things.
There you go.
I forget what way it goes. What am I doing? What does this do?
That extends it. You don't need to use that.
Okay.
Get used to the other stuff first.
Your arc is annoying. I'm not even out. Oh yeah. I forgot there's two levers. Hey, I got a good scoop.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, this way goes up. I forget what way they go. I'm gonna I'm taking your grave.
Yeah? You gotta get a little bit better at it first.
Shut up. I'm better than you. I'm not gonna be digging anything else. What do I do? Do I got too big of a scoop?
Maybe.
Is it gonna handle it?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Oh, I want to go up. How do I go up? That's up. Why doesn't it listen to me?
You gotta do the right thing.
It should listen to me.
It will when you figure it out.
I'm digging the worst hole in the world.
You put it all back in the hole.
What? What?
Nothing. First time running a backhoe.